Hey pilot, Mission Control is ready to guide you on your trip around the solar system. Your shuttle is full of high-tech equipment and even a device that's able to convert each planet's radio emissions to sound, so be sure to give it a listen. When you're ready, just hit the launch button in front of you. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Hey pilot, it's Mission Control. Let's get a look at Earth now that we've made it into space. Amazing, isn't it? You know, you can move closer to your window so you can get a better look. Perfect. Now let's make our way to our first stop, the Sun. Welcome to our Sun. About 109 Earths can fit across it. Watch out for big bursts of energy called solar flares. They are extremely hot, and speaking of heat, we're approaching the Sun's corona, which is about 1.7 million degrees Fahrenheit, much hotter than the actual surface of the Sun. Mercury is the fastest moving planet in our solar system. It moves about 47.4 kilometers a second in its orbit. Since we took off, Mercury has already traveled over 3,000 kilometers. Venus rotates extremely slowly on its axis. It takes 243 Earth days to actually rotate, which is what we call a sidereal day. It takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, which means that a day on Venus lasts longer than a year. I'm sure you know lots about Earth and its moon, but did you know that there are 2 asteroids that are locked into a co-orbital orbit around Earth? 3757 Cruithne and 2002 AA29 don't actually orbit the Earth, but they make a pattern that looks like they're following it. Just like Earth, Mars is tilted about 25 degrees. This means that Mars experiences seasons, similar to Earth. However, winter can last almost twice as long. Jupiter is made of gas and doesn't have a solid surface that we can land on, so there probably isn't any life as we know of on Jupiter. However, one of its moons, Europa, is believed to have an ocean under thick ice, which could potentially have life. Back when Galileo first observed Saturn through a telescope, he thought its rings were 2 large moons on the sides of it. It was years later when he realized they weren't moons, but arms of some sort. They weren't deemed a ring system until 1659. The light from the Sun is starting to get much dimmer now, and it's getting much colder. Good thing there's a heater on your shuttle. It's about negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit in Uranus's atmosphere, making it colder than Neptune in some places. Neptune and Uranus are made of roughly the same gaseous materials, which is why they both have a blue color. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, circles in a direction opposite Neptune's rotation. Triton's atmosphere has also been detected to be getting warmer, but we don't know why. Pluto is in a region called the Kuiper Belt, which is very similar to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, as it is extremely similar to other bodies in the Kuiper Belt and is strongly influenced by Neptune's gravity. This concludes our solar system journey. As we head out into interstellar space, there's still so much that we don't know and so much more still to discover.